For class 9th English grammar. So take down the question. Choose and write the correct words to complete the following sentences. So first question you all can take down, that is 7. How did the thief enter the flat? Was dash enigma. Okay. So the correct option is N. Okay. A-N. So write down now. How the thief entered a flat was an enigma. Okay. Copy next question. The cow uses dash tail to brush away flies. So which is the correct option? Select the correct option. It's. Right. So here you all can write down it's. Okay. The cow uses its tail to brush away flies. Moving towards the next question. He did not get a prize dash he tried very hard. Okay, so which is the correct option? Although. Okay, so option D is the correct option. So I'll have to write down where he did not get a prize although he tried very hard. Next is dash was stolen my mobile phone. Okay, somebody is the correct option. Option A. Okay, write down over here somebody. So I hope you have understood this and thanks for watching.